Today we are going to write the program for coding challenge. So they might ask you write the Python program to find the sum of all items in a dictionary. So first create the dictionary and then we write the sum and then print the sum. So to write that is like a key value pair. So suppose I have some key A and then value is like suppose 100 or 90, anything you can take, and then we write the other key like suppose B if you are taking, and then column and write the some value 2000 or then write the other variables C, another key value, so C, and then you might write 499, and then yeah, and then you can let's find out the result. So result, I'm taking the constant and where yeah, I'm going to sum, we are going to store it there. So I will write the sum and sum dot values. So it will calculate the values, the values, and it will make the sum of all the values. And for values functions we are calling, and then it will write the sum of all the values, and we write the print and result. Let's see what comes. Control S, and then for Python programs we are writing run Python file in terminal, and let's see. Here is a 2559, that is the correct, we got it.